Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Just want to say first off that the first half of the stream is guitar and the second half is bouzouki. So, anyone who read the title, think I forgot to add guitar on there, and I apologize. But the last half of the stream is bouzouki. So, look forward to that. I suppose I just wanted to get that out of the way. I have got a large selection of songs for you tonight, including a new track like I like to have every week. First off, I'd like to welcome Bruce to the chat, first person in chat, all the way from the United States, and Shane is cool is also joining us. So I'll just get into the first song then. This is Skin Under Goons. The voice. Let's see how the voice is today. Okay, here's the Skin Under Goons. Fare thee well, Enniskillen, fare thee well for a while, all along the border of bloom. For we'll all welcome home the Enniskillen Dragoons. The beautiful damsel of fame and renown, a gentleman's daughter from Monaghan town. As you drove by the barracks, this beautiful maid stood up on her coach to see dragoons on parade. Fare thee well, Enniskillen, fare thee well for a while, and all along the border of Erin's Green Isle. For when the war is over, we'll return in full bloom, and we'll all welcome home the Enniskillen Dragoons. Oh, they were all dressed like gentlemen's sons, their fine shining sabres, their carabine guns, their silver-mounted pistols. She observed them full soon, because she would wed an Enniskillen Dragoon. Fare thee well, Enniskillen, fare thee well for a while, and all along the borders of Erin's Green Isle. For when the war is over, we'll return in full bloom, and we'll all welcome home the Enniskillen Dragoons. Flora, dear Flora, your pardon I crave. 'Tis now, 'tis forever, I shall be your slave. Your parents have insulted both morning, night and noon, because you would wed an Enniskillen Dragoon. Fare thee well, Enniskillen, fare thee well for a while, and all along the border of Erin's Green Isle. When the war is over, we'll return in full bloom, and we'll all welcome home the Enniskillen Dragoons. Oh, well, dearest Will, do not heed to what they say, for children their parents are bound to obey. When the war's over, they will all change their tune, and you'll hold me in your arms by the light of the moon. Fare thee well, Enniskillen, fare thee well for a while, and all along the borders of Erin's Green Isle. For when the war is over, we'll return in full bloom, and we'll all welcome home the Enniskillen Dragoons. One more time. Fare thee well, Enniskillen, fare thee well for a while, and all along the borders of Erin's Green Isle. For when the war is over, we'll return in full bloom, and we'll all welcome home the Enniskillen Dragoons. Okay, that's the end of Skin and Dragoons. I want to say early this time, because I usually say this at the end of the stream, but it would be great if you're watching and you're enjoying, that you could hit the subscribe button, because I stream every week and I'm planning on doing a few videos as well, which I'll let you know about a bit later on in the stream. That's one I learned last week. Now we have 12 watching and 3 likes, so remember to hit the like button if you're watching there. Let's try to push that number up a bit. So we've got a bunch of new people in the chat. Lazarus, welcome. Falterut, Eric, Mayo Sham, Sonny, and Peter. Finbar, and the whole gang is here. So let me know how you're getting on. That classic vodka joke from Eric, as always. Okay, I'll read then after this one what you're all saying. Thanks for the comment and everything. So here is the Cliffs of Dooneen. So I'll do a bit of finger picking. Let me know how the sound is as well. You may travel far, far from your own native home, far away o'er the mountains, far away o'er the foam. And of all the fine places I've ever seen, there is none that compare with the Cliffs of Dooneen. 'Tis a nice place to be on a fine sunny day, watching all the wild flowers that ne'er do decay. The hare and the pheasant are plain to be seen, making homes for their young round the Cliffs of Dooneen. Take a view o'er the mountains, fine sights you'll see there. You'll see the high rocky mountains of the west coast of Clare. Oh, the towns of Kilkee and Kilrush can't be seen round the high rocky slopes of the Cliffs of Dooneen. Farewell, Dooneen, fare thee well for a while. And although we are parted by a raging sea wild, I'll once again wander with my Irish Colleen round the high rocky slopes of the Cliffs of Dooneen. And the hare and the pheasant, plain to be seen, making homes for their young round the Cliffs of Dooneen. That's the Cliffs of Dooneen there, traditional Uh, so I really like the Christy Moore version of that. And speaking of Christy Moore, we have him here. Thank you very much to the very kind person who sent me that LP. And I recommend it highly. And there's a few tracks, traditional tracks there I'd like to implement to the repertoire. So we've got 13 people watching now. Remember to hit the like there while you're at it. You can't see the LP. It's there. I can see it on my end here. Look, there's the LP. The Early Years. I nearly forgot the name. The Early Years, fantastic record. We've got MT Game Player number 4. Welcome, Matt. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, Aaron. Welcome, Kathleen. CF495, False Ruth. Patrick, False. Aaron Gamer Doom, False Ruth, welcome. I hope you're all doing well and liking and sharing and all of that. So I'll get into the next song. This is a new one to the repertoire. So I've been experimenting with this one for a while, and I still don't know what version I should use. I have a finger picking version, and I'll do that one now today. So okay, I'll get that one now. Here's Roddy McCorley. I've of course heard the Clancy Brothers version. Okay, I'll get into the chat then after this one. Tune today. How the pike flashed to the sun, found a foeman's heart. Through furious fight, through heavy odds, he bore a true man's part. For many a red coat bit the dust before his keen pike play, and now he marches to his death on the bridge of Tuam today. Because he loved the motherland, because he loved the green, he goes to meet the martyr's fate in a proud and joyous mien. True to the last, for he treads the upward way. And young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Tuam today. And young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Tuam today. Okay, that's Roddy McCorley. One I'm still working on, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I hope the sound was okay and all of that. Okay, I'll have a look at the chat. We have 15 watching. Remember to share the stream around as well and all that, and leave the like, and if you have not hit the subscribe button. We did very well last week. We got a fair bit of new subscribers, and we're pushing well on the road to 1,000 now. So thank you, everybody. Thanks for that, Fimber and CF495. Welcome, Pam. I'm glad to hear that. I hope you enjoyed the streams and all that. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. As long as they're traditional songs that I can play, I'll go for it. I'll do my best to facilitate most of my requests. Van Enrich says, I thought that were 3 LPs in one pack or just one LP. Yeah, a very kind viewer donated that's behind me right there, the early years. I'm really grateful for that one. And I love the sleeve and the LP and all of that, all 3 of them. And I highly recommend it for everyone watching as well. And I said earlier, I hope to bring some of those into my repertoire as well. Lazarus says 1,000 till the end of the year. That is a target, but I don't know if we're able to reach that. It would be incredible if we could. So that's interesting prospect, but these things are very unpredictable. Falsifan, it's going to go nacht. So I'm going to change to the bouzouki now. Here it is. Here's the bouzouki. I showed it a few times, but I have the better camera now. There she is. So here's Kelly, the boy from Calan then. I'll have to hop quickly now and put these books under my mic. Better than the biscuit box I had originally. There we go. This is quite awkward now. One second. Okay. Because the bouzouki does be a bit louder than the guitar. There we go. Okay, here's Kelly the boy from Calan then. What's the news, oh me bold Chelmalier, with your long barrel gun off the sea? Say what the wind from the south blows your messenger here, with that hymn on the dawn for the free. Goodly news do I bring you them forth, goodly news do I bring Bardy man. For the boys march at dawn from the south to the north, led by Kenny, the boy from Calan. Who's that giant with the gold curly hair, he who strides at the head of your band? 7 feet is his height, with some inches to spare. Oh, he looks like the king in command. Well, me boys, that's the pride of the bold Chelmalier, amongst the greatest of heroes a man. Swing the beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheers for John Kelly, the boy from Calan. And his court is in flames, and all the Wexford is won, and tomorrow the barrow will cross. In the hill o'er the town we have planted a gun, which will batter the gateway to Ross. Oh, me bold men and Bardy men will march o'er the heath, with brave Harvey to lead in the van. But the foremost of all, in that grim gap of jet, will be Kelly, the boy from Calan. And the gold sun of freedom grew dark in that Ross, and was set by Slaney's red wave. And old Wexford, stripped and naked, hung high on the cross, with their heart pierced by traitors' names. Glory, oh, to the brave men who died for the cause of long downtrodden man. Glory, oh, to Mount Leinster's young darling and pride, Douglas Kelly, the boy from clan. Glorio to Mount Leinster's young darling and pride, Dauntless Kelly, the boy from Clan. Okay. Kelly, the boy from Clan, I believe was originally written by Patrick Joseph McCall. And my next song will have the same writer in mind. I hope I'm correct. I believe I am. So, let me know how the sound balancing with the voice and bouzouki is there. Camera isn't focused, I think. Am I all blurry? I think I'm all blurry. Am I? How do I change that? The focus is off, is it? How do I anybody know? What do I do? Okay, that's better. Never mind. Problem solved. Remember to hit the like button there. Film agus film number 2 sa chat. Guramina Mahad Finbar. Thank you for that. I do be working hard on the bouzouki. Trying to be as best as I can. And thanks, Sukatron. I forgot to mention that you're here. Welcome. Thanks for joining me. We're only halfway in Sukatron, so don't worry about it. Thanks for joining me as always. Thanks, Banrin Recht. Agus Sia 495. And Aaron, thank you. So next song is called "A Boule de Vogue," by Pat McCall as well. I think that's his name now. I hope I'm correct on that. If anybody wants to correct me, then feel free. But here's "Boule de Vogue." At Boulevard, as the sun was setting o'er the bright May meadows of Shelmalier, a rebel hand set the heather blazing, brought the neighbours from far and near, and Father Murphy from old Kilcormack spurred o'er the rock with a warning cry. Arm, arm, he cried, for I've come to lead you for Ireland's freedom. We'll fight or die. Oh, he'll lead us on against the coming soldiers and the cowardly yeomen we put to flight. 'Twas at the Harrow the boys of Wexford showed Bucky's regiment how men could fight. Look out for hirelings, King George of England. Search every kingdom which breeds a slave. Father Murphy from County Wexford sweeps o'er the land like a mighty wave. at Vinegar Hill, o'er the Pleasant Slaney, for we took Camlin and then Escorty in Wexford, Stormont drove out our foes. 'Twas at Slave Heights our pikes were raking with the crimson blood of the beaten yost at Dunberneering and Ballyellis. Full many a Hessian lie in his gower of Father Murphy had eight come over the green flag hoisted from shore to shore. Oh, at Vinegar Hill, oh, the Pleasant Slaney, for our heroes vainly stood back to back. The old at Tullow took Father Murphy, left his body upon the rack. God grant you glory, be Father Murphy, and open the heavens to all your men that called you. May call you tomorrow in another fight for the green again, for that cause that called you. May call you tomorrow in another fight for the green again. That was boulevard. There. So, we're a half an hour in, would you believe it? And I have got a few more songs to go, of course. So I won't ramble on too much. False Ruth Owen. Oh no. Thanks, Eric, Agus, Mamo, and all the gang that's in the chat. Brenda Kane, welcome. Thank you very much. I appreciate it very much. Thanks for joining me. Drinking vodka big time. That doesn't surprise me, Zucatron. Oh, you're saying me? It's water. Don't worry. I've had a lot of theories about that lately. But okay. It's blurred, you say. It's going in and out of the focus there. Let's see. I don't know how to work this. I just move it around a bit and pretend like I know what I'm doing. It is a bit blurred. Is it any better now? I think it is. On my end, it looks a bit better. French are in the bay, said the Shan Van Walk. Oh, the French are in the bay, said the Shan Van Walk. The French are in the bay, they'll be here here without delay, and the orange will decay, said the Shan Van Wacht. We'll give them cups of tea, said the Shan Van Wacht. Oh, their camp it will be where, said the Shan Van Wacht. Oh, their camp it will be where, said the Shan Van Wacht. The Curragh of Kildare and the boys will all be there, with their pikes in good repair, said the Shan Van Wacht. With their pikes in good repair, said the Shan Van Wacht. And what colour will be seen, said the Shan Van Wacht. And what colour will be seen, said the Shan Van Wacht. What colour will be seen but our own beloved green, where our fathers' homes have been, said the Shan Van Wacht. Where our fathers' homes have been, said the Shan Van Wacht. And will our island be free, said the Shan Van Wacht. Will old Ireland be free, said the Shan Van Wacht. Yes, old Ireland will be free, all the way down to Kerry. Oh, old Ireland will be free, said the Shan Van Wacht. Yes, our island will be free, said the Shan Van Wacht. Okay. Shan Van Wacht, which is Irish for the poor old lady. If you're wondering. I prefer to be blurred. Blur Oasis. Very funny. What's that? What's the name of the instrument Coleman's playing? This is a bouzouki. Greek origin, I believe. But it is in a GGAG tuning. Eric again. Fáilte Sean, Tásúlam Gultu Gama. Banner in the Richt says, who's blurred? There's a bit of a blur there earlier. Sometimes I just go in and out of focus. If anybody knows anything about how I manage that, I have no idea. So if anybody knows. But I'll be going into my last song then now. And then I'm just going to talk a little bit afterwards. So, should the Hugger Féin an Saoirling ceann gaeilge agus tásúil mo go dainge searíb should the age Bob na balkan and maiden and taura so was gachrach she's gachlam palini yalling galgalach grace the hugmer Féin on Saoirling Saura banging and gown the hugmer Féin on Saoirling Saura buin and only need gal hugmer Féin on Saoirling Huggermerling on the cave, kind of free. We Huggermer Féin on Saoirling. Oh, wallig a ballig a zine, Arsy Féin, Huggermer Féin on Saoirling. Saura banging and gown, the Huggermer Féin on Saoirling. Saura boy, no ni gregal, hogmer fein, on saura ling. Tam hochas in the show, gag shenim le pleasure, office the logus and blair and prawn. Hochas in the show, gag shenim le pleasure, hogmer fein, on saura ling. Saura, bangin' and gown, a hugmer fein on saura ling. Saura boy, and no ni legal, hugmer fein on saura ling. A bee of sea said that if I lad gets hugmer fein. Soraling, with a fight orgamoshana is farley, hogmer fein on soraling. Saura, bangin' and gown, a hogmer fein, soraling. Saura boy, no ni gregal, hogmer fein on soraling. Above the mountain and maiden and tower, so Scotcrook, she Scotland, Calini, Alling, Galgal of Grace, the Hogmer fein on Soraling. Okay, Shana Hogmer fein on Soraling. Glór version difriúil timppó ag ceoltóirí éagsúla agus ar na déanaine mar sin de gur mí amach. Thank you everyone. 16 watching. Remember to like if you haven't subscribed yet. It'd be great if you could do so. Great song, Tá Can the Lad. Ach, ní mahapalt gur mahad. I can almost feel the sunshine. Well, it won't be long till we have Christmas anyway. That's something to look forward to. So I hope you all enjoyed the stream. I'm just going to put something out there. If I were to start doing a series of videos of songs with high quality and all that, which would you want to see? Let me know throughout the week or whenever you want to, really, on the YouTube comments. So I have a few in mind. So if songs I've played on the stream, if you want to see them on. So I want to thank everyone for watching the stream this week. I do appreciate it all. Gur maithagaí Bichseachtain Yesagaí. Agus the weeks are just flying. This week especially flew for me. I don't know if it's like that for everyone else. And the stream always flies for me. But if you have any suggestions, let me know. And if you want to see chords for anything, give me a shout. And the toy show's on next Friday. Enjoy that and all of that kind of stuff. And I'll see you next week at 8 Irish time. GMT, that is. So whenever that is in your country, be sure to mark that on the calendar. So I'll see you next time. And I hope you enjoyed. Okay. Salam.